Coachella plans to return with no masks, no vaccines. Party! Oh, man. You know, you try to think about it in terms of being a concert organizer and how, or never mind a concert, a festival organizer, and how much of a relief it would be to watch the world slowly easing because you're like, we about to have a Coachella right here.
And people want to party.
Oh, the people they want. They want to smell other humans in a giant pile. I mean, I don't. I'll tell you what, I'm nowhere near going to this thing. But some people do. Mostly the youth need to get out.
Yeah.
And this is news to the youth. When the Coachella Outdoor Music Festival returns for the first time in 2 years this April, performers will be greeted by a sea of unmasked and potentially unvaccinated fans as the struggling concert industry stirs back to life. Organizers said on Tuesday that attendees would not be required to wear masks or be vaccinated or tested for the coronavirus at the Coachella Valley Music Festival and Arts Festival, which drew up to 125,000 fans to Southern California and was one of the biggest music festivals of the pre-pandemic era. They're talking about it like it was decades ago. Like they need to remind us about what it is. It was a giant, an important event. It was a massive. I like how you became British. Music festival from the early 2000s, decades ago, when 125,000 Americans would flock to.
Are you Russell Brand?
I don't know who I am. Okay. I don't know who I am. I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is that Coachella is back, baby, and Will Du's on the first flight out of here. And I'm like, Will, it's not happening yet, and he's gone. Because you're a big Coachella as well.
I went once, yes.
That's a big Coachella as far as I'm concerned. It's bigger than I am.
It was a good time.
Mo, is that a big Coachella to you?
Huge.
Well, let me tell you, Will, no documentation, no mask for you. You're free-flowing out there, and you're smelling all the other humans. Good for you.